What is up, traders? Isang short video lang po ito regarding sa short selling sa Philippine stock market. Yes, you heard it right. Magkakaroon na po ng short selling starting on Monday ang PSE. That's November 6, 2023. Ito ay mangyayari na after like 10 years of planning and preparation, no? So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang short selling or shorting ay basically betting on a stock price to fall and profiting from that slide. So, ang isang trader o investor ay hihiram ng shares sa isang broker with a guarantee to return them at a given time. Tapos, ibebenta ng investor or trader ang stock hoping na bababa ang presyo nito at bibilhin niya ito sa mas mababang price para kumita. And then, isusulit niya sa broker ang shares at an agreed time, yung stocks na yon. Pero pag tumaas naman ang price at binili mo sa mas mataas na price, of course, doon ka naman malulugi. So same pa din naman. The risk of losing money and the reward of gaining money is there. The only difference is that meron tayo ng pagkakataon na kumita ng pera whether the direction of the price is rising or falling, provided that your trade goes to the same direction where the price is moving, right? So with this development in the PSE, I'm back testing Kalma strategy. Titingnan ko kung pwede ba itong gamitin na strategy for short selling. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you are excited also with this development sa ating merkado. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.